Asuntoskeittiö Kulonkulme.
This is amazing. It's today on the 19th of January 2025. What was the address again?
Munckinkatu 72.
Munckinkatu 72 in Hyvinkää, Uusimaa, Finland. Built in 1964. Built 70 was also built in 1964, 10 basics.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's 8 years ago or something.
Yeah, and I think now the capacity is 3 versus 1.5. 6 floors. Silver is H1, 2, 4, 5, 0. Try it when it's Building 70 has a basement floor as well.
Yeah. Niissä pitää poikki vaiskuttaa, että meitä ei passille.
This sounds as well here.
Yeah. Original Kolkatus and upper force.
Yes. And the other graph for it has the G.
Yeah.
That's a garage
That's